It's you that I want when it's me and the men them. We have to run from my party girl them. Don't want me children and thing. Me not ready for all them things.
Hey everyone, welcome back. So here I'm starting off by showing you guys what I'm using. I'm using 40 volume developer in Kaleido Colors bleaching powder. Here I'm mixing in the bleaching powder. I used about 4 scoops, but I had to go back in later and do another one for the closure. So altogether, 5 scoops and developer would have been enough for the whole process. So here I am just mixing in my developer. Gradually adding it in and mixing it up till I get the consistency that I would like. And now that I have the consistency that I want, I'm just going to start by adding it onto my bundles. If you can see, I already have like a little strand that I bleached, that I did a little strand test on just to see how it would bleach, because I didn't want to mess up my bundles if it did not bleach correctly. So here I am just applying it to the bottom. I'm going to do kind of like a ombre. I'm not going to color the whole bundle. So yeah, I'm just putting it on the ends of the bundle and like gradually bringing it up. And I'm going to make sure I turn my brush vertical so that there's no harsh line. I'm also going in with a wide tooth comb and just combing the product through. And then I'm going back in with my bleach or just applying it to the rest of the hair. And then I'm going to turn it over and do the same thing to the other side. So I just did the exact same thing to my other 2 bundles. Went through, put the bleach on, combed it through, turned it over, put the bleach in, and turn my brush vertical, so up and down instead of side to side. So I just did the exact same thing for my closure. And as you can see, my bundles are already starting to turn. I left the bleach on for about 15 more minutes, then I rinsed it out. Here I'm going to be using a Doré color in cinnamon and cognac. I think it's French cognac. And so I put in all of the cinnamon color, and then I put in about half of the French cognac. And then I just took my brush and applied it to the hair. The hair is towel dried. And then once I put it on the hair, I left it on the hair for about 30 minutes and then I rinsed it out. So yeah, there's no specific way to put this on here. Just put it all over the hair and make sure you cover every strand. But be careful if you're doing a closure, because you don't want to mess up the closure with color. So I'm just going through all the bundles, making sure that I have everyone covered. And as I said before, I'm just going to leave this on for 30 minutes and then rinse it out. If you would like to see part 2, which is me making the wig, then make sure that you stay tuned for the next video. I should put it up tomorrow. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and if it was, be sure to share this video, like this video, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.